That's a little further. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, got him. Hooked him, hooked him. Yeah, you're right, Mike. Oh.
Don't let him go down there. You see those rocks?
Yeah.
Try to get him up. I'm gonna try to double up.
Yeah, let's go. Oh, oh, oh. Don't come off, don't come off.
Don't let him go no feet.
Oh my gosh, double up.
Oh no, he's about to hit up there. So just fight yours. See what I mean? When you find him,
yeah.
you know immediately they're there. Especially in shallow water.
Oh.
Oh, look good. I think when they turn the second gate on, it's gonna be real good. It's gonna push him up up here. And you can fit where you originally were.
Yeah. Let me try to net him up. Oh, come on, come on.
There's trees over there, don't let him go.
Double took so huh? I think you would have got it too, man. Oh yeah, they're still over there. Enjoy on both ends, huh? Oh my god! You got it up! Yeah, that's crazy. Oh, yeah! Let's go, Mike. Let's go. He's a 24 and a half.
That's cat for some reason don't want to come up here. They're just hanging down there.
Yeah.
But then again, this is the first time I'm down there with the water this low. So. Usually I'm catching where Will was throwing at first.
Right.
But that's with 2 gates on.
Oh my god!
Oh, he followed it all the way in.
That was a bowfin, huh?
Oh,
What the heck? That was definitely a bowfin. That was a long tail.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It could have been, man.
Unless it was a striper.
I don't know.
Oh man.
Bass, a striper, a bowfin, they all.
Oh, oh, oh.
Oh, you missed.
You missed. Huh? Oh. Oh. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. You gotta be there, bro.
As long as he...
You think they're more aggressive when the water's on?
Well, they're aggressive right now. It's just where they at. That's the thing.
Yeah.
Probably they move so much. Well, they're chasing shad, so the shad move.
Yeah.
Move
Oh, I hooked him. I hooked him. Oh.
that one, he's sitting in the channel.
It feels like a smaller one, but look, he's just coming straight to me. Might be a bowfin, I don't know. Đâu chị hỏi bowfin chứ tụi. Yeah.
Kind of like a catfish. You're feeling like rolling. And
Oh, this guy feels light.
it might just be a little catfish.
Yeah. And maybe barely hooked too, who knows?
Those little ones is the one that eats it. They're like the one at the dam.
Yeah.
As small as he was, he had the whole treble in his mouth.
Let's cut the chase. Yeah. Yeah, that's a small one. Yeah. There it goes. Oh! I don't know what it is. Feels huge.
It must be another carp.
I know, I want to see what it is this time. I don't know if they're biting my swim bait or I just hook them. Might be a carp. He's like right here. I don't know yet. Come on. Might be a carp, I don't know. Feels huge. Looks like a cat. No, it's a cat. A big cat, man. Oh my gosh, this thing is huge. Oh, there you go. Yeah. Oh boy. Dude thinks he's a bass or something. There you go. Let's get some action going on. Oh, I got him already. Oh, bass. Oh shoot, I didn't expect that. Maybe that thing that was busting was a bass the whole time. Yeah, buddy. Hello there. There we go. All right, buddy. See ya. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah. Oh, he missed twice, man. Oh, man. Damn, they're definitely moving upstream. Oh, come on. He's right there. He's... Oh. Oh, it's a fish. Feels like a cat. He just kept pulling. Oh, what is that? Definitely a cat. Don't go to that tree, cat. No, don't go to that tree. Come on, cat. Feels like a pretty decent sized one. I thought I got stuck on a stump or something. I was starting to feel disappointed. Oh, it's a nice cat, yeah. I think he's a bass trying to eat my swim bait right here. There we go. There's another one. Oh. Yeah, they just kind of disappear. Oh, got another one. Another cat. Maybe. Has to be. Have you ever used a cat to catch a cat? Pretty sure they would. They'll eat anything.
You take a piece of leaf and throw in a jig head bouncer down there, they'll probably leave.
They probably would. Or an empty jig head. As long as it's moving. Man, this is crazy. I can't believe I'm catching catfish off of a swim bait. Never caught them like this before.